Hey guys, so I ordered the Beauty of the Camino just before Christmas and I'm only getting a chance to open it now. So I'm just going to open this now and I'll just show you what it looks like. Okay. So we've taken the package off and what we've got is a nicely decorated box. So I'm just going to take away the box here, just remove it to one side, and we have a photograph. Just put it to one side here, and black and white coloured black and white drawing, and a map of all the routes, with I'll just take this out. The Beauty of the Camino, and it's filled with black and white photos and narrative, and I won't go into it, I'll just leave it there. And it's definitely worth the purchase. You can find more details on thebeautyofthecamino.com. So that's that.